Welcome to our 2022 truck hardware product video. In this video, we're going to quickly give you a rundown of the new additions to our product lineup this year. Let's get started with GM. First, we'd like to introduce our custom nylon offsets for the Chevy HD. These flaps feature our unique nylon offsets with a removable rubber in case your customer wants to go off-road. These flaps are made from a durable black nylon material that won't peel or fade over time. They also have a 1.5-inch offset to give you added clearance for bigger tires, and still provide a no-drill fitment. The kit includes front and rear mud flaps with all of the custom brackets and hardware needed for an install. The only thing not included in the kit is our Chevy Silverado finishing caps that will be needed for this install. Speaking of finishing caps, it has been a work in progress, but we have finally finished our finishing caps for the Sierra HD. You can find our 6-piece kit under part number FC004K. Now let's move on to something new, our first Jeep lineup. To start off, we'd like to remind you that we have a custom fit option for your Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Available in Mopar licensed Jeep black logos and an affordable no plate option. New for this year is the Jeep Grand Cherokee. This custom option will also fit L models. The kit includes front and rear flaps and are offered in numerous plate options, including Jeep logos in stainless steel and a black full wrap option. Next, we've released a custom option for your Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This is a nylon option with a 5/8 offset, and it is custom routed and includes custom bracketing to make for a perfect fit. As with our other nylon options, this also has a removable rubber for when you want to go off-roading. Unfortunately, this kit only fits the Rubicon, and is not compatible with the Rubicon 4XE or other Wrangler options. Last up for Jeep, we've released an option for the 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. This is also a front and rear kit with numerous options. We also offer a different set of rear flaps for Wagoneers and Grand Wagoneers that have the power running board option. Sadly, we're not able to come up with a front flap that works with the power running board. Now let's take a look at Ford. The latest update for our Ford releases is the updated kits for the Lightning. While the fronts stayed the same as our normal F-150 kit, the rears needed some adjustment, and have been designed with new bracketing that is included in these kits. These kits are available in most plate options. Next up is a unique mid-model change, but a change for the better. The rear flaps for the Expedition and Navigator have changed in 2022 to fit the new body. Luckily, the fronts will still fit all 2018 to current models. And as a reminder, we use metal uppers on this kit so that we can provide a unique reverse offset on the front flaps, making them compatible with the power running board on these vehicles. Now, for the first time, we have two Raptor options for you. First up, we have a custom nylon option that provides added clearance for the 37 and R models. The nylon option offers a 5/8 offset, is custom routed for a no-drill fitment, and comes with a removable rubber option. Besides that, we also have custom rubber options for your standard Raptor. Included in the rubber program is a more affordable no-plate option, as well as a Ford license, blacked out Raptor logo. Last for Ford, we'd like to give you a reminder about our Bronco lineup. The Bronco mud flaps feature our custom fit nylon mud flaps with removable rubber. All necessary brackets and hardware are included in these kits. We also want to remind people that our Gatorback lineup do fit the Sasquatch package. In fact, they look the best on the Sasquatch models and provide the protection it needs with those larger tires. Included in this program, we have front options for the Bronco that fit both models with a rock rail and models without a rock rail or running board. If you'd like to make this kit work with running boards, we do have information to help you make adjustments to get the protection you need. Finally, we have launched a custom no body drill option for your new 2021 Nissan Frontier. Unfortunately, we are unable to provide license options for this vehicle, but you can get great protection in a black anodized plate, stainless steel plate, gunmetal plate, and an affordable no-plate option. And that about covers it for us this year. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.